Hello everyone. So we have two masses over here, both of same value, and they are colliding. So we're going to verify whether the collision is elastic or inelastic. Okay. So we have two conditions to check whether the collisions are elastic or inelastic. The first one is sum of momentum before collision must be equal to sum of momentum after collision. The equation for that would be m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equals to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Second condition is relative speed of approach is equal to relative speed of separation. That is u1 minus u2 equals v2 minus v1. We would go for condition number 2 just to reduce the time for calculations. u1 is 4 in option A, u2 is 0. So you'd write 4 minus 0. In option B, as you can see, both masses stick together, so they travel with same speed. You would write v2 minus v1 as 2 minus 2. That is equals to 0. So option A represents inelastic collision. Look at B. 2 minus minus 2. Why opposite sign? Why the minus sign? That is because of the opposite direction, as you can see from the arrows. Okay. On the other side, it is 0 again, so they are not equal again. So the collision is inelastic. In option C, 2 minus minus 1. Again the arrows opposite direction, that you should put the negative sign. And v2 minus v1. 3 minus, again opposite direction, minus 2. That will give you 5 basically. Not equal. Option D. 4 minus 1. That is equals to 3. And v2 minus v1. 4 minus 1 again. That is also equals to 3. So on either side you have relative speed of approach equal to relative speed of separation. So option D represents perfectly elastic collision.